Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Thinkorswim application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store and go to the search box and type in Thinkorswim. Once you come across this application that says Thinkorswim Trade Invest from TD Ameritrade Trading App, tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. Go ahead and log in with your Face ID or your Apple ID credentials and you will be able to start downloading the application. Thinkorswim is a powerful and versatile trading platform offered by TD Ameritrade. It is useful to both novice and experienced traders, providing a comprehensive suite of tools and features for analyzing and executing trades in various financial markets. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the app on your iPhone. And that's how easily you can download Thinkorswim application for your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.